guys, I'm back here in a new video and I'm going to show you how to make cinematic shots. So first of all, you need CapCut, CapCut, and some sorts of recorder, and I'm using X recorder. Yeah, that's how I record out my videos for some reason. It's actually good. And Apologies, you can choose any app, but yeah, you can use Apologies. Okay, so first of all, go to CapCut. Choose any kind of video that you want to edit, and I'm using these clips. Yeah, those are what I recorded before I do these. So yeah, now let's go here, and I need to do a little bit of cutting. I'll just speed it up. Doing some cutting. Okay, now that I've done it, here's what it looks like. It's actually quite cool. And if you want effects, just go to overlay. Where's overlay? Wait, it's not here. Oh, there it is. Overlay. Then add overlay. Go to stock videos and choose this black overlay here. And zoom it until it fills the whole screen, and choose splice down there, and you can choose anything over here. Oh, it's just black, and just choose everything that you want to look nice. And yeah, I'm just choosing some over here, what looks nice best in this. Also, you can choose the opacity, maybe because the colors are a little bit too dark or a little bit too bright for your eyes, like that. It's a little bit too dark, and fill it into your entire clip. Okay, a little bit too far there. Okay, there we go. Now it's filtered. It looks like a filter, which is quite cool. Now I'ma just change the opacity of it to make it look cool. There we go. Let's check it out. It's quite nice. Quite nice. Whoa, slow mouse. Low. Okay. So for more cinematics, you can also go to crop. There we go. And adjust the setting a little bit to make it a smaller size. This is just me adjusting it. Okay. Trying to adjust it. Also, there's already some layouts that is already formed, like 2-1 over there. I don't know how it's pronounced or why it's called like that. But anyways, you can just choose that if you want a little bit of cinematic darkness around. Or you can just go to free and choose what cinematic shot you want. Or how big is your black lines on the top or bottom. If you don't know what I mean, just watch and you'll know what I mean. See the black lines there? That's what I mean. Now it kind of looks like a very cinematic movie. Oh, I gotta do this other one too. So I gotta really perfect the lines a little bit. Also, if you know how to add videos together, like during the editing, please let me know in the comments. Okay, so gotta perfect it. Oh, it's a little bit too small. Okay, gotta do that again. Okay, let's make it a little bit big. No, that's a little bit too big. Let's see. Nope, it's still a little bit small. So let me adjust it more. Okay. Yeah, over there. This will be a little bit perfect. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, that looks cool. And perfect transition. But there's a little bit of offset yet, so gotta push it around just about there. Yeah, that's good. There we go. That's nice. Yeah, that looks awesome. Cool. Also, I need some kind of transition. I'll be using Blanche as my classic transition. Nice. Looks awesome. Also, all you need to do next is just to add the audio or any kind of music. Or even a voiceover. Okay, so next thing you need to do is go to adjust. And oh yeah, adjust. Press that. And choose the contrast to be high or low, whatever you want to be it. And I'm gonna choose high, like up to 50 high. A little bit too, I guess. And I'm gonna do that to the others too. Sharpen. Kinda looks nice when it's sharpened, but I don't want it to be a little bit too much sharpened. Do it before after shots. See the difference? Cool. Okay, let's adjust it more. A little bit less sharpened. Okay, the sharpen doesn't look nice that well. Let me just make it 50. Now let's add it to the whole entire cinematic shot. There we go. Now it's practically finished. I'm